All right, here's a little hack for the Thing Modular Workshop System. You know how when you're powering this by USB, you're sometimes wondering maybe what exactly is the voltage that the USB power bank or power supply gave the workshop system. It should be 15 volts. Sometimes it's 12, sometimes it's not. If you look on the side, there's this power input, and you can hook up your voltmeter to this and just measure the raw voltage. Or you get one of these little panel meters, like I did, and put the right little JST connector on it, and now you can just plug it in. And you can see, it's putting out 14.9. This is a high-fix-it power bank bit for a soldering iron, which will go to 12 volts if you plug the soldering iron in. Let's say you unplug this and you want to plug it into your nice, say, Coma Strom DC power supply, then you can also see that that is 15.1. And the voltage difference shouldn't matter because I believe there are voltage regulators on the power board that put it to plus 12, minus 12. But at least now I can tell that it's not 12 volts coming in, which is not good.